Welcome. This is Noble, and you are at Proactive Thinking program. You want to learn proactive thinking skills. So the secrets are like I will be teaching you step to step, like all the secrets of proactive thinking, which I have applied in my life. Practical step to step process, and these secrets are like how Elon Musk achieved. He became. He's like billion. He has $1 billion companies: Tesla, SpaceX. Okay, Solar City, OpenAI. All these companies because he thinks for long term and with he has a vision. So I will teach you all those steps, how to be proactive and how to plan accordingly for your goals and achieve those goals with simplicity and clarity. Okay, so kindly join the masterclass, and I will teach you all these skills with compassion and with simplicity, so that you should be able to apply those skills in your life step in a step to step more manner. Okay, so let's meet you in the class. Thank you so much.